Hello, everyone. This is Lynn Yershak, School Improvement Instructional Specialist for Manatee County Schools. And today I'm going to show you how to set up a Google Voice phone number. Many teachers have been letting me know that they don't want to give out their personal phone number. So Google Voice is a great option to be able to give your parents a number to call, and the number will go straight to your regular cell phone. So the first thing I want to show you today is how to choose a Google Voice number. You need to go to the website voice.google.com and pick a city to have your Google Voice number set up. I think a lot of people are setting up their phone numbers. So Bradenton and Parrish, when I searched, was not available. So we could do, let's try Tampa. And there's no Google Voice numbers available in this area either. So you might just want to pick one of these cities, and then it'll give you a list of about 5 numbers to choose from. So I'm just going to pick this first number to be my cell phone. So now what you need to do is complete the setup by verifying your existing phone number. So Google needs to know that either you have a landline or a cell phone number that can accept phone calls. So press verify and enter your phone number. So all inbound calls that are sent to Google Voice will directly go to your phone number. I cannot do this step because I already have a Google Voice phone number. So you're just going to press send code and then look on your cell phone for text messages. And then you'll get a text message from Google to verify your phone number. So I'm going to show you right now. I'm going to log into my other account to show you how it works. So I really like using Google Voice because if I have to make a phone call to a customer service company, or if I'm working with maybe getting some help online, if I know the phone call is going to be a long time, I use Google Voice for outgoing calls. So you can call from this phone number. So let's say you want to call the help desk because you have a question that you want to ask. Maybe you need support with Schoology. You can enter it in here, and then you can press call, and it'll call the help desk, and it'll go through your phone. I'm not going to call the help desk right now because it goes directly to voicemail. This is a way that you can call. And if you have incoming calls, so you can see here on my call log, this is a missed call, and these are outgoing phone calls. So I can call these numbers. You can check your voicemail here. So if a parent leaves you a voicemail, it'll pop up right here if you miss it on your phone. Right now, I'm just going to play the message that Google Voice left me. So again, you set up Google Voice by claiming a phone number and then having that sent to your cell phone number. Your cell phone number will be given a verification code. You verify your phone number, and then you have your Google number. In order for this to work, you need an email through Google, through Gmail. So set up a Gmail account first, and then you'll get Google Voice. If you have any other questions, you can search on the web. There's a lot of informational webinars and information about using Google Voice. Thank you. Have a great day.